Drove an hour just to come here. All right, maybe not just to come here, but we did drive an hour. Where are we out in Arvin near Bakersfield? 30% off the back wall. We're starting in the 10 and a half, where we see a ton of these Pegasus waves. I guess they just made it out the aisles. $55. And you get 30 off, so that's like what, 40 bucks? Unless you want this blue one right here. Ooh, same price. Same price. Where you do get full length Nike Air. LeBron 22s going for 140. Forces right here and all suede and 90 bucks. Got some mids, go for 100. Got some green ones right here, 90 bucks. Jordan 4 RMs, 90. Is that 90? Yeah, 90. 30 off. Moving on to the 10s where you get 270s for 100. Seen a ton of these RMs go for 90. 70 for the LeBron 21s right here. 120 for the Air Max DNs. 120 for the Air Max Plus. Vomero Roams right here. 90 for these. Is everything just 90 today? The default 90 bucks. 90 or 100, and these are 100. Pegasus 39s go for 75. Kill shots going for 40. Smaller size right here, seeing a bunch of the UNCs. What's that price though? What's that price? 140. Seen these at quite a few outlets. See 9.5s. 9s right here. So seen in the 8.5s, as well as the 8s and 7.5s over here. Seen quite a few of these mids for 100. These mids right here also 100. Another one of these DNs 120. Max RS. What are these? 110 for those. Detroit Lions colorway. Of the Pegasus right here, pretty interesting. 155 though. Smaller size right here, $65. These worth 65 bucks. If you like Air Max ones, they definitely are. Especially when it goes down to $46 after the 30 off. All right, let's go see what's up with the apparel section where you get 40 off. Hell yeah. They do got Tech Fleece here, $64, 40% off. That's some of the best prices we've seen ever. Wow. Of course, you gotta find your size. This is Jordan brand right here, and I see these straps on the bottom. Don't see that too often. Double XL, 70 bucks. Non-Tech Fleece right here, $60. Extra small non-Tech Fleece, 37. Is that 37? 34, my bad. Then that Tech Fleece pants just in, it's just in a double XL. That's it. You do got these sweatpants here, 48. And you got Tech Fleece right here, but they ask you for the full 135, 40 off. 40 off ain't bad, but usually want additional discounts. I brought a Lakers hoodie just in case it gets colder later. This was a medium duty hoodie right here, 68. 50 right here. 50 for this Jordan hoodie. Got a Mamba t-shirt right here. We've been seeing these all over the place. Well, Mamba merch all over the place, that is. $30 for these. It's just a regular, it's a thicker t-shirt. It is a thicker t-shirt, my bad. It's a little bit nicer than typical t-shirt. It is a medium, but they got a small right here for 30. And they got another small and a medium right here. Fleece jacket, 48. Nike sportswear hoodie, 45 or 44. And UCLA, their football team's been crazy, been awful. Then all of a sudden they're destroying people. 75 for this one. Dodgers World Series 2024 shirts. Been seeing a bunch of these pop up lately. $37 still. You do get 40 off though. All right, let's knock out the back wall. Checking the bigger sizes, size 11 and above, and sees a lot of these Pegasus waves still. Bunch of the LeBrons go for 140. A bunch of these. Seeing a lot of the same stuff over and over. Got more of these going for 90. More of the, I thought these were the Max RS. No, these are the Maxim 200s. Seeing a lot of the same stuff that we saw in the smaller sizes. We saw these earlier too. The Jordan 4 RMs colorway that I like, 90 bucks. All right, size 11, size 12, 13, pretty much all the same stuff. All the same stuff. We saw these from where roams earlier, but it is extended size price to $60. Size 13, $60, and then you get 30 off on top. Or Ja 2s right here, huge sizes, $53 for size 14s, $90 for these, $130 for the Jordan 4 RMs. Metcon 6s, $60. Got a bunch of these. Got Dunks, $90. Mock undercovers, $45, and then some Pegasus down here, $55 for those. All right, let's see what's going on in the aisles right here, where we do got some foams. It's been a cool minute since I've seen foams in the actual aisles right here. $190, way below retail. Retail's $240 on these, no? Got some low SEs right here. Regular black toes. Rookie of the years. Then we're seeing some generics right here, the Jordan 4 RMs, and then all these other ones. And on the back side, we got plenty of the generic J's as well. Jordan, why not 0.4s? Westbrook's older shoe right here. Westbrook's on, I think he's with Sacramento now. Fool getting passed along like crazy. That fool's legit too. Jordan 1 Take 2s. And we got budget signature shoes right here. You got the Next Gens, you got the Witnesses, got the Immortalities, as well as more Next Gens. And another Witness here. Flight Legacies. Got some Dunks. Calm Slides right here. Then of course, gotta have the Forces, and they're going for retail. Air Max 90s. Then a trio of the 2017s. Then we got a row of Air Max 90s. Got it in white. Got it in gray, and got it in all black. And another one of these. I got Air Max 270s over here, going for way too much. That's all retail, right? You should go for 170. And yeah, no real running shoes. No real running shoes. All right, we're moving on over to the women's section over here. And I am checking the huge sizes, $80, $85 for these Jordan 1 lows. They do got some extended size pricing. What's up with the colors? What's up with the colors? $60 for these. When you see that gray pricing, they are doing extended size pricing, so they price it way lower. But many times the stuff that doesn't really sell just sits here. $55 for these. These are size 10. Forrest Gumps. One where you saw Forrest just running and running. Then he just stops. I'm tired. $70 for these. Jacquemus weird J-Force ones. They're weird as hell. $70. But yeah, definitely no dope running shoes or nothing. No Vomeros or nothing like that yet. These must have come out of the aisles because I see a size 8 right here as well. And I see extended size pricing all the way down to 9.5 women's, but it's just on stuff that ain't been moving, to be really honest. $85 for these Forces. Size 8.5 Dunk Next Natures with the crazy, I wouldn't even call them laces, more like, I don't know, what is that, ribbon? It's like a ribbon, right? Ribbon, go up for $100. They got these things right here, these low down 1000s going for $45. And then just like most other women's sections, look at this, the same stuff over and over. And these in a ton of sizes. Oh, there's these Metcons right here. Like, look, I'm not even exaggerating, the same stuff over and over. Got the Cortezes right here too. Might as well move on and then we'll check out the kids. You got a couple slides. Summer's pretty much over, right? So this stuff gonna go even way cheaper. The Omnipresent Blazers, Jordan 1 mids, low SEs, then a trio of Dunks, then some women's Forces. We know where to get these cheaper, right? And showing you guys like crazy where to get those cheaper. You got 270s. Even in the running section, don't really have much to show you guys. Let's move on to the kids area over here, where they got these DN8. These DN8s look so much better than the regular DNs. And look at that price right there. Wow, this is a great school though. Jordan 3 Rare Airs go for way cheap. Jordan 4 RMs. Jordan 1 mid right here. Is that a, it looks like corduroy, but it feels like a textured, is that like a textured suede or something? Got some generic Jordans right here. We got some Jordan 4s with that interesting print right there. Got some 7s. We rarely ever see 7s for kiddos. Then another one of these Air Max DN8s. All right, and then let's check out some of the clearance stuff, where they do have a ton of these in grade school, go for $100. Be able to get the Mellow 12s at 105, 105, and then you get another 30% off. That is fire if your girl can fit into that. Your kiddos too, that's what's up. Do got these right here, 6s going for 105 as well, 30 off. You can get a kiddo some dunks if they still like the dunks. Oh, this is a women's, going for 70. Happen to choose the one women's shoe right here. What the hell, dude? The R4 Shocks right here, 65. That's the cheapest I've seen that. Air Max 90s right here if your kids like Air Maxes. And extended size price, 70 bucks. Sometimes they just use the wrong color. These are going for 65. Kids got the most Jordans out of everybody. What the hell? What the hell? That's my kiddo right there playing video games on his phone while he's waiting for me. That fool's like addicted to that game. Damn, fool. The next day happened to be out in Santa Clarita. To be honest, I haven't been out to Ross in a minute. I haven't been out anywhere too much lately. And I want these videos to be long enough for you guys. $18 for this University Blue small pullover. Is that like West Virginia colorway right here? Navy and yellow, or this could be Michigan too, right? 15 bucks. Extra small Nike hoodie right here. It says Nike Track Club, $30. Vikings hoodie right here in a small. Team Apparel going for 10 bucks. Who is this right here? Judy? $30 for this. This is a nice one too. On-field apparel. Starting to see jerseys. I don't know who Judy is though. I don't know if he's with the Broncos anymore, but at 30 bucks. Who is this right here? Is this Alvin Kamara? That's an actual player who's currently with them. 160 down to $40. Alvin Kamara jersey. Freaking dope. That is a large. That's some Rams team apparel right here. Apparently I need to hit up more Ross. I ain't been to Ross in a minute. $6. Oklahoma Sooners. Captivating brand. This is a large, 10 bucks. Apparel section getting way interesting. Moving over to the sneaker section. Is that Chucky? Is that Chucky? And we got the crazy 8 lows right here. These are 7 or 6.5. My bad. 6.5. These bad boys go for 40. Air Max DNs right here go for 85. God dang, I barely touched you, fool. Browns Pegasus, 40 bucks. MB3s right here, $50. Jordan, these are women's though. I don't know why these over here. 85 for these 8.5 women's. Got some Currys right here, 8.5, $55. KDs, these are size 10 right here. They've been reduced under 49. Another one of these, a size 10, 10.5. These starter Jordan 4s right here. Starter Jordan 4s. Got the little lace holder right here. The triangle lace holder. That's hilarious. Got plenty of these in a few different sizes, a few different colorways. The Bondi 8s, 100 bucks though. Or these size 11s, 50 bucks. Air Max DNs, bigger size, $80. Old DeLucas, 43. Some Scoots right here, $40. LeBron 21. Like, is this one of the grandma carpet ones? I don't know. $83. Size 12, $65 for these. And some different Hokas right here. Go for 90. The women's sneaker section over here, where they got some Air Max DNs go for 80. These are size 8. Yeah, they don't have Jack in the huge section over here. You got these Chuck 70s? Are these? No, these ain't Chuck 70s. $40. Jordan 1 lows here on this end cap, $43. Size 5s. Got some Adidas right here going for 40. Yeah, these were what I saw in the men's section right here. I knew there were women's. 85. And these are some Chuck 70s right here. They tend to be shiny on the bottom. Then you can see the 70 right there. Supposedly higher grade material, $25. But yeah, that's about it, man. That's about it. Not much going on, especially in this sneaker section. Men's section, way more interesting. Out here at Kevin Hardwick's Kern Raceway, doing some motorcycle racing, and of course, taking a look at the SC game. I think the over's gonna hit, fools. Hell yeah, let's go, baby. I think that's gonna get the over right here, right? No, it was 60. Dang it. No, we still need some more points for the over. Also, I think I also bet on the QB too. God dang it, missed the PAT. Missed the PAT. But yeah. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, inside pass, fool! Inside pass! Oh, he did it, fool! Woo! Uh-oh. Getting close, getting close. That was a sick pass. I don't think I got it on video, but that was a sick pass. Oh. At the last. At the end of this race, it's the last turn right here. Last turn right here. Oh, he went wide. He went wide. Oh, but he got it. He got it.
It's going to be 1 lap to go. White flag is in the air.
Oh, I thought that was the last lap. Got some low budget import car racing. RSX destroyed everybody on the oval track right here. SC just lost me money. Thanks a lot, SC, you bastard. You guys suck. You guys suck. But yeah, that fool's smashing everybody. Smashing everybody. Now got figure 8 racing. With a cross in the middle right here. Oh.
I love how they also have the chalk lines kicking up the desk on top of it. Why not?
So one more right here.
Arvin gonna have a moment here. Get into the intersection. Up to the 4th position now is Robert John Rice.
That fool's winning right there. Not like any of you guys care. Last college football game of the day, right there.
That these drivers are trying to get
Is there one more pass? One more pass?
on the home track. If you slow down,
It's gonna go right through the middle. Oh! Now they got dirt. They got dirt track cars on here. What the hell? What the hell?
it's so weird calling these things.
Oh, is he going to the inside? He got the inside pass. That's the inside pass. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, he got the inside. Yep. Now they're doing skid plate racing. Most of y'all have never seen this before.
Affected positively, I feel like, for the most part, with Robert Rice.
The back wheels. There are no back wheels actually. They put skid plates on the back wheels, and they're all front wheel drive vehicles. So it's like hard as hell to control.
Huge contributing thing that.
Oh, caution lap. Caution flag. Oh, wait.
Yep. Like it was this event, right?